Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Again, breathing in and slowly breathing out. Allow yourself to arrive in this moment. There is nothing you need to do, nothing you need to change. Bring attention to your body. Notice where you may be holding tension. Allow your shoulders to soften. Let your jaw relax. Let your hands rest comfortably. Begin to notice your breath, not controlling it, just noticing. Breath flowing in, breath flowing out. With each breath, imagine gentle energy moving through your body. Nothing forceful, nothing rushed. As you breathe out, allow any heavy or stagnant energy to gently release. There is no need to push it away. Simply allow it to loosen. With each breath in, imagine fresh, clear energy entering your body. Allow this energy to move naturally, flowing where it is needed most. Through your chest, through your shoulders, through your arms and hands. Your breath remains steady. Your body remains at ease. Allow this energy to continue flowing, balancing, refreshing, restoring. For the next few moments, there is nothing you need to focus on. Simply rest. When you feel ready, begin to bring awareness back. Carry this sense of calm energy with you. Take one final slow breath in and gently breathe out. You are grounded. You are refreshed. You are calm and energized.